Hello everybody, my name is Alan and welcome to Read Aloud with Alan. Today we're going to read Pete the Cat, 5 Little Pumpkins by James Dean. Five little pumpkins. Sitting on a gate, the first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Ooh, went the wind. And out went the lights. And the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Happy Halloween! Thank you everybody for watching and listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait to read with you guys again. Bye!